So today we will be doing a sum, that is we have given a total cost function TC which is equal to 500 plus 4q plus 8q square. Now you are asked to find out the average total cost function, the average variable cost function, average fixed cost function and the marginal cost function. Okay, now we know that, well, how do we write? We know that total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Now this total fixed cost term will be the one which does not depend on the level of output. Now look at your total cost function. It is 500 plus 4q plus 8q square. এখানে কোনটে আউটপুটের ওপরে নির্ভর করছে না, that is this amount 500. So here total fixed in the given equation, in the given cost function, therefore total fixed cost is equal to 500. Why? Because this is independent of the level of output. Okay, I am writing it, you need not write it in your exam script. Okay, so TFC is equal to 500. So once you know TFC, you will be able to calculate AFC. What is AFC? AFC is total fixed cost per unit of output. So here AFC will be what? Here AFC will be equal to 500 divided by Q, because output is given by Q here. Okay, so you can write it in this way, 500 Q to the power minus 1. You can keep it like this, you can raise it to the power minus 1. Whatever you do, you will be getting the marks. Okay, now next comes the average variable cost. Average fixed cost we have done. Next comes the average variable and the average total cost. Now average total cost is what? It is total cost per unit of output. So I am not writing output, I am straightforward writing TC by Q. So this is equal to 500 plus 4q square plus 8q square whole divided by Q. So ATC is equal to 500 Q to the power minus 1 plus 4 plus 8q. Okay, each I have divided by Q. Okay, so this is your average total cost. Now what is average variable cost? Average variable cost is total variable cost divided by the level of output, once again Q. Now if out of this function this is the total fixed cost, then this must be the total variable cost, that is 4q plus 8q square. So let us write 4q plus 8q square whole divided by Q. So AVC is equal to 4 plus 8q. Okay, so this is the average variable cost we have done. Now the last one is marginal cost. Now I told you yesterday that if you are given a sum and you are asked to find the marginal cost, the marginal cost is equal to dc dq, that is the first order differentiation of the function with respect to Q. So dc dq, so here C means total cost, so MC will be equal to 500. Of course Q is to the power 0, it is a fixed item, so naturally no differentiation. Then it will be 4 1 Q to the power 1 minus 1, okay, plus 8 into 2 Q to the power 2 minus 1. So this will be equal to 4 plus 8 into 2 is 16 Q. So this is my marginal cost function. Okay, so this way we do the derive the average total fixed cost, average fixed cost, average total cost, average variable cost, and marginal cost. Okay, just for marginal cost you will have to remember it is the first order differentiation, and if you have not done it, I suppose you must have done it. It is like this: if y is equal to x to the power n, then dy dx is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. Okay, so utilizing this we have done here. Okay, so in your now I would like to say that you do this much in cost, long run functions, long run cost functions you can do, but I would advise don't do it for your examination. Okay, so this much we will be doing, I will be giving you some sums. Okay, and please do those sums. If you have any problem, you are free to contact me. Thank you.